Hello everyone and welcome back to the TechStack channel. So today we are trying to explore one more new challenge on the RPA challenges side. The thing is here we want to extract the data with the help of ML, ML extractor. So we can see this where this ML, I mean machine learning extractor. So when you go with here extractor, so basically, we have this extractor form extractor generative machine learning. This one which we not tried. So these two are we tried and it's working fine. So now we are targeting on the machine learning extractor. So if you want to get this skill, ML skill, whatever it may be, you updated any skills. So how we can get it and how we can update it to this code and where you are updating what the things are need to be done from these things. So we are trying to explore all of those things. Let's go back to the Chrome browser. So once you've done this, you can log into this Action Center. So from this, we can go to the Action Center. Already, I have deployed one project which is available inside this. So now this is invoice extracted, which I did earlier. So now we are creating one the new project. So let me create this new project with the name of I will make it as Stack Invoice Extractor. Okay, I given this next as tech stack invoice extractor. Mm, this will use to extract extract data from the PDF invoices. Okay, this I don't want to do anything, so just I create this. So once you click on this creator, I mean it will come to the inside of this. So here what we need to do is this is a dashboard. Whatever targets are you are creating now, so those all are available here. So we need to go to this data sets. So just click on this create new and make this as data sets. You can give the whatever the name. So you can just keep it as data set name, data set invoices. Okay. And I don't want to give any comment here. Just click on this create. So once you click on that create, so you can see this the data set invoices has been created. So this one how we can activate means downstream we can see this data labeling. So the data labeling. So here I will tell you which things we need to create. So in the data labeling, so we are just creating from which fields we need to get the data. So for example, right now I'm concentrating on the document understanding now. So for this, I will select this document understanding. So just click on this document understanding and you can view this. I'm taking the name as data labeling only. Okay, create data sets. Already I have created the data sets, data set invoice. So this is the one which I updated the name now there. So just click on this. If you want already it's available, you can go this. Or else if you want, you can create the new data sets. So create here PDF data set. After this, you can update this description or it not required. Just click on that create. So once you've done, so you can see this data labeling settings. So just click that, it will navigate to this some another new page. Once again. Okay, if you see here, it's having the deploying stage, or you need to wait for this to another set. So meanwhile, go to this invoices. Okay, now it's available. Just click on that. So once you click on that, it will navigate to the some other page. Okay, in this page, what we want to we give the invoices to upload here, and you need to do the some calculations. Calculations, which field you want to do, those things are we need to update. So here I want to update the data now. So I want to import some files. So which files I'm importing right now, I will show these files. So when I go input, I have some input files which is related to the Amazon invoices, and another one is related to the Flipkart invoices. So basically I have the two different invoices. I will open another one. Might be this is Flipkart invoices. It is also Amazon now. Okay, so if you see this having some different invoices are there. So from this both invoices, I'm targeting which one I'm targeting means one is the order ID. When I go and check order ID, this is the standard name, order ID, small letter. And when I go and check here, where is this order ID? If you see here, order number. So order number and order ID are the similar two things. So that is the one thing I'm targeting. And apart from this, I will target one more thing, invoice number. So invoice number and GST as well. So we are targeting these three things, and we can target the fourth. So we are targeting for the four things. One is the order ID, another one is the invoice number and GST and PAN. So these four are the common in the all the documents. So when you check here, I have this invoice number is the invoice details, and PAN card is there, GST number also is there. So we are targeting these things. Okay, I'm back to this orchestrator again. So you can see these two things options. So import, right now we are updating the data to here now. So just click on that import, and once you imported that, you want to give this batch. So I'm taking this name as batch one. If you want, you can take whatever the batch from your side. So just it's a name. So I taken this batch, and after this I need to go to that particular location. Let me copy this location. Okay, I went this location. So how many files are there? I taken all the files and open. Once you open it, you can see this all the files are available here. If you want, you don't want anything, so you can delete this. So right now I want all the things, and I will click on this upload. So once you click on this upload, it will take some time, and it will show how many files are uploaded to the documents. So it will take some couple of minutes or couple of hours, also depends upon the your input. So right now it will take just a couple of minutes. Okay, it's taken already done. So after this, just click on this import. Okay, now whatever the data from the particular PDF files now, those PDF files available in this layout. So this also it will take some time. Everything here all the take will take some time only, because we are updating everything to the orchestrator. So you have to be patient while you are working with the ML extractor. Okay, let it wait to complete this setup. So it's almost completed 97%. And once it's done, you can see this here documented, processed, how many documents are skipped. So here how the two duplicates might be it's got skipped with the name having the same thing. It got skipped those things, and rest of the things it's get updated. So just click on that close. So now you can see this the first one, which is related to the Amazon. So basically you can see this right side. So two regular fields, and another one is the classification fields. So you can see these two different fields. Regular fields means for this invoice, all the invoices, what are the regular fields? For example, if you say the PAN number, GST number, those are the regular fields. So what we need to do now? So just click here and add. So what is the I'm adding this PAN number. PAN. Okay, the first one I added this PAN number. So you can see this here string. If you want, you can change this whatever it may be. So as of now, I will go all the with strings itself, and you can see this here shortcut key. Once you click on the select that, and if you click this shortcut name, it will add that. I will show that as well. So if you want, these things are not necessary. And if you go to advanced, if you want select this whatever the things, and if you want to change this color, you can do that. So as of now, those are all not required. So just I declare this PAN number and click on that save. Okay, first I will declare how many fields are required for this. Now I will do that. So here the next one is GST number. Okay, just I will take GST registration number, just I will take it as GST number, and here also the same thing I updated. So two fields are there done, and another two fields, one is the order number, just add this order number. Okay, click on that. Okay, and finally what we did, so we go with this invoice number. So just click on this invoice number. Okay, invoice number, this is done. Okay, now we need to give this classification fields. Classification fields, just click on this plus icon. So after this we can give this one unique name. The classification is nothing but as this is document is related to the Amazon, and another one PDF document is related to the Flipkart, or might be if you have something like handwritten documents are there. It might be the scanned documents are there. We can figure out that. As of now, we are just considering the two things. Huh? So just you can give this classified document, classify doc. So you can give any name, it's fine. So after this, just click on that OK. And after this, you need to identify which are this unique. So if you see this Amazon, so Amazon, I'm going with this memo, and Flipkart, I have this one unique name which we call tax invoices. So these things, when you analyze this document from your side, and you will get to know which are the unique things. Okay, once this is done, you can just click on that save. After that, you can go to see here classify document, and you need to classify this. So whether this particular document is related to the Amazon or Flipkart. So this document is related with Amazon. Okay, classification is done. Still we not add this PAN number. Okay, just click, just come this side and go with the PAN number. So where the PAN number is available, this is my PAN number. So once you done this, you can just here double click, it will activate it here. Or else there is a one more method. So this is GST number now. So just go to activate this GST number, and you can see this letter which you call Z. So just click the G on the keyboard number, so it's automatically activated. Okay, and similar with order number. So where is this order number? So order number is, this is the my order number. You can just double click, it will activate it. Or might be the another thing. So invoice details, or not invoice number. You can just click I. So anything is fine. So make sure that both things will work. But only the thing is, once if I want to delete this one, I'm not able to delete that. I didn't get any option for that. Maybe okay. When you go inside, you can delete this. Okay, now all the things are done. And similar way, if you want to go over the next document, so basically we have the 28 documents are there. We need to do for the 28 documents. If you have 100 documents, you need to do for the 100 documents. When you go into more, you will get the more accuracy. So now I'm going with the another document. So here also the same thing. I will do PAN number similar to the P after this GST number, which is related to the G, and the next order number. Where is this order number? O, and after this invoice number. So this is the invoice number I. Okay, and again this classification to the Amazon. Okay, I will do for all the 28 documents, and I will back to the same page. I have updated for the all 28 invoices, and let me show you one more couple of the things. I not show for the Flipkart invoice now. Let's go to the Flipkart invoice. So this is a Flipkart invoice, how it's having, and some of the Flipkart invoices having in different format. Let me show. So when you observe this, so this is the one kind of invoices which you are getting the latest one, and this is the invoices. I think it is the some older one or something invoices, different kind of invoice which is related to the Flipkart only. You can check this Flipkart. Okay, for all the things I have updated like this, and classify the documents which whether it is related to the uh, Flipkart document are related to this something else. So I have updated all the things. So once this is done, you can just click the export button on the top side. You can see this export button and just click it. Okay. So you just give this export name. You can give whatever it may be, test export. You can give whatever the name is there. So just export to AI Center. Once you click on that, you can see this, it's got highlighting. We need to wait to complete this hybrid. I mean, to complete this highlighting button. So we need to wait that. Once this is done, we can just go uncheck. So meanwhile, if you go uncheck, there also we cannot see anything here. 1 second. So this is data set now. When I go inside, you cannot see this data sets. So still, it's kind of exporting the data. So we need to check that. Okay, this is a different one. Let me go back to our thing. So okay, this is the one text extractor invoice extracted. Just click that. I'm going inside, and we can see this. We created that data invoices. So we cannot see anything here. So we need to wait until to complete this. So okay, now it's done. I want to check that status. So once this is done, now you can able to check the status. Export to A one more time. So I mean, for example, now I'm trying to export. So we get to know whether it's got successfully exported, or I think it's not exported. We can able to see the message. Another way is that we can go and check in AI Center. That's fine. But when you're doing directly, we can get to know here. So we need to wait for a couple of seconds. It will give this thing. Hmm. where it is, it's not giving anything. Basically it should give. Okay, now we'll go back to there and we'll check this, so whether we got this data sets or not. So data labeling, I got the data. Just I'm very clarifying that we got this data and we did all the steps. After this, go to the data set. Okay, one is data set invoices. Okay, still it's not came. It will some time to take come here. Let me check. Another one is basically we have two things now. PDF data set. Okay, when you check here PDF datasets, I given this name as Testina, so the data came and fall here. So we can see this all the data is available here. So datasets. Under the datasets, I designed the PDF datasets. So for that PDF datasets, I just give the name as test and one other is a test. So the here T is got missed. So we'll go with this. Okay, now this is done. So labeling part and the datasets both are done. So now we need to create this ML package. For this ML package, we can just go to here import ml package. Okay, so here we need to create that one. So just click the ml package here out of the box. From this we need to select this document understanding, because we are working on the document understanding. So once this is done, when you go inside also you can see this one more document understanding. Yeah, this is all. So just select this one. So after this you can select any version from here. So I'm going with this top version right now, it's available. So just click on that submit. Once you submit, you need to give this ml package. So I'm giving this as tsml package, text stack tsml. Okay, just I will give the tsml. So these and all not required. If you want, you can add this description, everything. So as of now I'm just quitting this. Just click on that submit. So now we can see this it's undeployed. It will take some time to deploy that. So meanwhile, go to this pipeline, and here also we need to create this one pipeline. So here you need to select this train. Okay, right now we are under the train. So and give here ts pipeline. Okay, and choose the package. So already I give this one ml package which is named as tsml. So we need to select that same thing. After this we need to give this as a version, and we need to mention the minor version. So by default it will come 0 or 1. Just make sure that select 0, and we need to select this data set. So data set directly don't select here, just double click inside. Okay, after this we can go this inside and we can see these two things. Okay, I will show you one more time. So just click here, you can see this. If you select directly like this, when you see it's having the PDF data sets which is not required. So let me. Okay, so which is we selected is the wrong. So let me refresh this page. Okay, now all the things. Okay, pipeline. So this is a train for that. So I'm taking this TS pipeline. After this, I need to check the ML package. So this is my TSML package and the version, and the package minor version is 0, and select this data set. So data set, double click, just go inside and select this one. Okay, now this is the correct way which you are selecting. So after enable GPU, it's fine. If you not enable also, it's fine. So anyway, it's a testing purpose. Now after that, just click on the create. So once this is done, you can see this the status as running. 1 second. So that status as running, and when you go check ML package, so it's undeployed. It will might be it will change after some time. And now go to the ML skill. So here I need to create this ML skill. So ts underscore ml skill. Okay, and I need to choose the package which you are getting from this here now. So this ml package linked to this ml skill, and the version we need to select this version, and the package we need to select this. Enable GPU, this and all not required, and make ml as public. If you want, you can enable auto update. If you get any updates on, it's fine. So just click on that create. So once you done this, it will take right now it's deploying. So it will take some long time. Maybe it will take 1 day or 2 day, depends upon the you given the input or you given the data set to the inputs. So it will take some time. So Let me check. Last time when I trying, it will take only 30 to 40 minutes. So this time we'll check. So once this everything is status will be changed, I will come back to here. So I have checked, still it's taking long time to deploy this. So we'll do one thing. Already I have designed one ML skill now. So let's go here. So already I have designed one ML skill which is named as the invoice extractor. So let's go inside and we'll check the same thing. So whatever the things is there now. So let me go to data labeling. I designed the same thing like that. Only the one extra thing which we taken here as uh, PAN number is there, order number, GST number is there, invoice type. Instead of that, we taken some name number. So forget about these things. Now we try to export this PAN number, order number, GST number from the existing one. So let's go back to here. So once how you will get to know means I will go this currently one. So when I go ML package, it's getting the deployed pipelines. It got successfully, and ML skill still inside in the status of deploying. So when I go to the existed one, we can see this package is deployed and pipeline successful and ML skill is available. So once you get the status as available, then only you can able to see that. Okay, now go back to the UiPath Studio and just I'm removing this skill. So initially once you drag and drop, you cannot get directly. So just refresh this. Just click on this drop down and you can able to see this ML skill. So once this is done, so you can just click on this configure, extract configure. So from this, we need to select. Right now I'm targeting this Amazon invoices. Just expand this. From this, what I need, so I need this order number, order date. I don't want as of now. So just we will concentrate on the three fields. So one is the order number, and another one is the GST number, which we need to extract, and another one is this. Where is this PAN number is not there. Okay, let me check whether I given this PAN number in the taxonomy or not. Let me check there. So this is some bit tricky things. If you try it once or twice, you will get understand. You will get easily. So let me remove this and I will add one more time. Machine learning extractor. Okay, select this ML and click this get capabilities. So after it go inside and expand which unit, I need the order number. So order number is order number, and after this I need invoice number. Let me check invoice number I have. So invoice number is not there. PAN number I have. Let me go for the PAN number. So GST number it's there. GST number and PAN number. Why it's not showing? Let me collapse this. Okay, PAN number it's downside. So just select this PAN number. Okay, these three fields which I need to extract from this Amazon. And similar way, I have this Flipkart invoices also. So let me select this invoice number. Invoice number is nothing but as the order number I'm taking right now here. Might be it fetched wrong or right. I'm not sure. Just recheck. And this GST number and after this PAN number. PAN number. Okay, now these three things has been done. So I will go inside this particular folder and I will put this Flipkart. So I have this only the one document. So just I will run it, extract this data for the Flipkart. We'll check. So how it will works. So it's bit easy, but the thing is we have to wait for a lot of we need to spend a lot of time because whatever you are doing this ML things uploading the PDF files now that should be get in the deployed state. So then only you are able to see those things. Mm, Let me check whether it's okay. It's running, but I'm not seeing anything output here. Just we'll wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, it's got. Now we can see we got target on the three fields. One is the invoice number. Invoice number is nothing but as an order ID or something it to take, and another one is the GST PAN number. So now just check invoice number. So it got extracted correct, and the GST number. So GST number and the PAN number, the PAN number. Okay, this is done, and I will tell you why we go these things. I will tell you that. Let me click on that submit. I will give one more file which we called Amazon one. So let me go inside. I think this is the Amazon one. Okay, let me keep this inside. Okay, now we are running for the Amazon one. So now the problem is why we are using this ML extra. So basically just assume that we have the different invoices like 10, 20, 30, 100 invoices are there. So when you check that all fields are same relatable, order number, invoice ID, all fields are having. But when you see the location, it's got some different. Why it's taken again Flipkart? Let me check. I will tell that answer as well. So let me check what happened. Okay, Amazon is there. What is his name? Okay, Amazon only there. Let me check whether I given the standard name for this or something else. Anyway, it is in loop. Okay, it's taking the path as different one. So let me update this path. So when you observe this thing, notice then only you will get where it's moving, what is happening. Okay. Now I'm running. So the problem is why we are going with ML extractor. So basically, if you have 100,000 invoices are there, all are similar, but the thing is fields are coming in different positions. You can go with some alternate as well, but this is a way, one of the method which we can approach. So just assume that I have this mm, Amazon invoices and PDF invoices. So for when you concentrate on the Amazon invoices, I have the PAN number, and Flipkart invoice also I have the PAN number. But having some PAN, some NUMBR, something is, and GST registration number is there, GST number is there, order number is there, invoice number is there. So I have the fields are very common. But the thing is data is different, and the name order number, if you check here, I have the order number there, might be the OD number or order envo, like that it coming. So when you see overall the structure is very standard, I want to only those kind of data. So for that purpose we are using this ML extractor. So when you go with the regex operation, for example, so in one of the document I have this order number, and another document I have this order envo, or might be the GST number, I have the GST number. When you go to this Flipkart invoice, they have only GST. That's it, simple. I have when you go with invoice details, I have this invoice number. For example, invoice number. When you go with some other document, it have INV number, like that. So to avoid those type of confusion for the results, so we are using this ML extractor. So this is a one of the method. Which one? Now we'll see the output. So this is the order number which I got. This order number has successfully, and the PAN number. So where is this PAN number? This is the PAN number and GST. So why other fields are not considering this? I have not designed the logic for the other fields. So if you want, you can try and do from your end as well. I know it might be a bit not complex. It's a bit tricky. Just you need to go with this one by one. First, we need to create this data sets, data labelings, ML package, pipelines, ML skills. So once this is done, you can go to ML logs, and we can see whatever the things are available. If you did if you create a data set, it will go and log that. Now we'll check it is available or not. Let me refresh. If I having, I will do right away. This is not loaded. So package, okay. So it will take some more time. I don't know how much time it will take. So this is a way how we can extract data from the PDFs with the help of ML extractor. So if you have any doubts, I will try to one more video on this as well. Post your comments. I will try to do video as well. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.